Usually I don't do this type of videos, but today I will show you how to recreate the bass from this piece of audio. This type of bass is called Lento Violento by me. Why? Type Lento Violento into the YouTube search bar and the first video will be your answer. I'm creating that type of basses since 2018, but this bass is a huge progress for me, and it's just insane. When I was not experienced in FL Studio, I was looking for method how to create this type of basses, but only thing that I found was Massive VST plugin and its factory preset called Addition, which sounds like more EDM bass instead of Lento Violento one. Okay, so here we are in a Sytrus default preset, and I will modify quality settings now. First step, setting the unison settings as following. Volume 100%, pitch 50%, phase 50%. I'm also setting unison distribution settings to blurred. Maximum unison order for that is 2. This setting is optional due to white noise in operators, which is stereo if unison order is higher or equal to. Second step, change quality settings. Button to high quality envelopes, center and gips off. Third step, change oversampling factor draft to 8 or 16. This setting is a cosmetic change of sound, helping removing artifacts from operators with high harmonics. Now, the operators. Operator 1. Change waveform to saw by turning the shape knob up by 50%. Set frequency ratio to 4. Operator 2. Set the waveform to saw. Turn the phase knob by 25%. Operator 3. Change waveform to even square by turning the shape knob up by 75% and clicking the even button below the waveform. Modify the phase envelope as following. Change tension to 12.50%. Operator 4. Turn the phase knob by 25%. Modify the input modulation X mapping. 0.1, 0%. 0.2, 100%. Copy envelope state from Options menu. Paste envelope state to phase modulation A mapping. Operator 5. Turn the noise knob to 100%. And with the all operators, set center and declick options. Okay, I'm done with the operators, so we'll get to the filter options now. Change the filter type to Lime Low Pass filter. Check oversampling option. Turn cut envelope knob to 100%. Turn cutoff frequency knob to 32.5%. Turn resonance knob to 25%. Modify volume envelope as following. Modify cutoff envelope as following. And finally, matrix snaps. Operator 1 to output to the 0%. Operator 1 to filter 1, 100%. Operator 2 to filter 1, 50%. Operator 3 to filter 1, 100%. Operator 4 to filter 1, 100%. Operator 5 to filter 1, 6%. Operator 3 to 1 frequency modulation, minus 78%. Switch to ring modulation levels. Operator 3 to 4 frequency modulation, 100%. And finally, filter 1 to output, 100%.